And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So apparently one of the videos we did for the e-brake handle to John's Corvette didn't go through. So there's no real explanation as to why it was broken. So I'm going to take the time right now to show you guys, okay? So in this spot right here, the cable slides in, locks into place, and then the cabling itself goes in this channel so that when you pull up on it, it goes like this and pulls the cable back. Okay, great, not a problem. Well, to do that, this pin right here has to be inside that hole. Somehow, some way, we don't know how, someone yanked up on this e-brake handle really hard and pulled the pin out of its inside internal spot. And when doing so, let's see if I can get a nice clear picture on that. There we go. As you guys can see if I can get my finger in there without distorting the picture. They cracked that just ever so little bit. So when this piece right here got pulled on, it went backwards, bent, got just bent enough to pop this tab out, which is on the metal handle, and broke this and pulled it out. And when it did, it locked the e-brake in place. So we couldn't move the rear wheels at all. We didn't have a choice in the matter. So we pulled the driver's side seat, which you guys saw in the previous video, to get the handle out to get to this. Because you have screws here, screws here, screws here to the car. So there is a little from the factory. It's got a little bit of a wobble when you pull on it. Bad design. But it's got a ratcheting assembly which allows the handle to automatically come back down when you push the trigger. Well, as you can tell, it's not releasing anything to do anything. So when the new handle gets here, we can show you guys a side-by-side view, and you guys can see exactly how that piece right there is supposed to be inside there. And it'll give you a little better understanding. But that's how this broke. So the reason why I know the most about these is I did it to my Corvette. But mine was pure stupidity. I was doing a J-turn, I was younger, I thought I knew everything, and I locked my rear wheels and had to have my car towed home. Yay me for my own stupidity. But that being said, we've got the new one coming in, and as you can tell, it's seen many a better day, and we'll focus, where was that spot again? You can see that the oil that is naturally in here is pretty nasty. I mean, I'm giving it everything I've got. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. That's this piece right here, watch. Now, it won't come, oh, there we go. So that's supposed to pull here, and it does. And the button isn't freeing that. So that's why. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully that's a good explanation for you guys so you have a better understanding on it. And don't do what I did and do this. Yeah, don't pull a Scotty. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, have an amazing day and enjoy your week.